PPC, or pay-per-click, is a form of advertising where you pay a small fee each time someone clicks on your ads. Today's topic is specifically the advantages of PPC, or pay-per-click, advertising. Compared to many other marketing strategies, a PPC campaign may considerably increase web traffic and produce a highly measurable ROI when implemented correctly. PPC is economical since you only pay when people visit your website after clicking on an ad. On search engine results pages, advertising is displayed above the organic results when users perform search operations. The most popular PPC advertising platforms are Google Ads, Microsoft Advertising, and Facebook Ads. However, given the volume of searches and number of options, Google is by far the most valuable for any PPC campaign. Let's review different types of PPC advertising. Search ads are text-based ads that show on Google search results, like sponsored links, and shopping page ads. You can show ads to people actively searching online for your products and services. Display ads are typically image-based ads that are displayed on the websites your audience visits, usually in the form of a banner, sidebar, or footer image. Video ads are video-based ads that feature before, during, or after YouTube content. Remarketing ads is a feature that enables you to modify your display ad campaigns for people who have already visited your website. Shopping ad is a type of ad that features detailed information about specific products that you sell. In simple terms, paid social refers to social media ads. The first advantage of PPC advertising is to generate quick results. Unlike free content and organic search strategies, PPC advertising drives results immediately in almost all cases. You'll reach thousands of people instantly, likely people who are searching for your services or products. PPC advertising doesn't just garner fast results, it quickly pulls in traffic for your site as a whole. Paid ads do not directly contribute to your ranking, but they do increase the number of overall clicks your website gets. With billions of searches per day on Google, you can use search ads to make sure potential customers notice your brand, consider your offerings, and take action. This eventually gives a high return on your investment. With PPC advertising, you can set your own advertising budget. You can easily increase your budget or decrease it. PPC advertising allows you complete control of your advertising campaign. Real-time ad performance data is at your fingertips. With these metrics, you can change verbiage, play with keywords, or include a promotion. Analytics can also show you demographic data. You can always improve your PPC strategy whether you're on Google, Bing, or Facebook. These statistics also enable you to determine whether the returns on your investment are worthwhile. This information will be helpful for your overall marketing strategy, and you can quickly adjust something. As your PPC ads appear more frequently, more people will notice and therefore identify your brand. Even if people initially don't click on your ads, that's excellent for establishing the reputation of your business online. The simplicity of creation is one of PPC advertising's strongest features. Ads may be created and launched quickly whether you do it yourself or hire a pro. The good thing about PPC is that you only pay for actions. You are only charged when someone clicks on your ad. You can skip the ads during the ideal time of the day. Rather than using PPC advertising technologies, you may program your campaigns to be distributed at specific times, places, and to particular demographics. Every PPC provider keeps a track of stats on your advertisement, so you can refine your marketing strategies and then see the benefits of PPC advertising. With PPC advertising, you can test various keywords and advertisements. PPC has many such benefits. It can generate fast results by targeting the right people at the right time. I hope you have understood or at least have some idea around the benefits of PPC advertising after watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do share with your friends or colleagues.